Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to hide zeros in Google Sheets. First, select the table where you want to hide your zero values. Now, simply go right here to Format and expand this menu. Here you will have to click on a number and then go all the way down until you see Custom Number Format. Click on it. Now here in the Custom Number Format menu, you will have to type the following: 0, then this symbol, then minus, 0, this symbol 2 times, and then @ So just simply add a @ symbol and then press apply. As you can see, the zeros are hidden. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.